Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another quick and easy sewing project for spring. Today we're making these fun little fabric flowers. With pinked edges, these stuffed flowers go together pretty darn fast. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the flower, the center, and the leaf, polyester fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, hot glue or craft glue, a wooden skewer, dowel, chopstick, or craft stick, an optional glue stick and lightweight interfacing, and of course the printable templates. You can draw your own flower and leaf templates, but if you'd like to use mine, they're part of a written pattern available in my shop. You'll find the specific cutting measurements, step-by-step written directions, color photos, and the printable templates. It's a digital PDF pattern, which means you can download it to your device, and then to save paper, just print out the template page. But if you're one who likes to have the entire pattern on paper, you can print out the whole thing as well. I've added the links in the description down below, in case you're interested. First, cut out the flower and leaf templates, and then cut away the flower center and use it to cut out 2 circles from your fabric scraps. I cut through the bottom of the flower template to get to the center, and then I just retaped it when I was finished. Place a piece of flower fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place a fabric center in the middle. I like to attach it with a glue stick. If you'd like, you can add stabilizers to the back. Stitch the circle in the middle of each of the fabric squares by sewing the raw edges with a blanket, zigzag, or satin stitch, or by sewing 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch inside the edge of the fabric circle. Place 1 square of flower fabric with the right side facing down. On top, place the other sewn flower front with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template over the flower center and pin it into place. Stitch the flower together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the bottom open for stuffing. Now be sure to leave this section open. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Then use the opening to stuff the flower with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and insert the wooden stem into the stuffing. If you're using a wooden skewer, make sure you cut off that sharp point. Use a pencil to mark the fabric on each side of the wooden stem. Then remove the stem and continue stitching the flower up to the markings you made, then retrim the opening for a neater look. Reinsert the stem into the bottom of the flower and work it up into some of the stuffing. Secure it in place by gluing the stem to the flower opening, and then let it dry or cool, depending on the glue you used, and readjust the stuffing. Place 2 pieces of leaf fabric with the wrong sides facing each other, and center the template in the middle and pin it in place. If you're using a thinner fabric, add a layer of interfacing to the wrong side of the leaf fabric to give it more thickness. Stitch the leaf together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Center the leaf under the wooden stem. Fold one side over the top of the stem. Fold the other side over the stem. Adjust the leaf on the stem as desired and glue it into place. And just like that, just that fast, you've started on your first of many flowers for your springtime and summertime. Handmade, homemade, home decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, be sure to subscribe and remember to click the bell so you can get notified of my newest tutorials. See you next time with another project.